Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to zoom in and zoom out animations in Camtasia. So firstly, all you have to just click on the video first. You can see the video is not fitted with the screen, right? So how you can fit this? You can scale it here to fit this, or you can do this to fit it. Okay, with the mouse. Again, you can do this with the animation. Click on this animation, this one, and you can use the zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's adjust this one. And now if you click on animations, you'll find different type of animation here, full capacity. And then if you want to zoom it, all you have to just go to zoom plan and you can zoom it and zoom out your videos like this. Again, you can zoom with animation. All you have to just click on and it will be zoom like this, or zoom out with pen, scale to fit, or auto size. That's up to you. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.